In today's interconnected world, the rapid exchange of information is paramount. From phone calls to internet connectivity, communication is the backbone of our modern society. While underground cables and undersea fiber optic networks have long been reliable communication channels, aerial flight paths are emerging as an innovative and essential solution for enhancing global connectivity. This article explores the role of aerial flight paths in communication and how they are revolutionizing the way we connect. The growing need for aerial communication. The demand for high-speed, reliable, and widespread communication is ever increasing. Whether it's for business, emergency services, or personal use, people require fast and accessible connections, even in remote or challenging terrains. Aerial flight paths offer a unique solution to this challenge by leveraging the capabilities of airborne vehicles like drones and satellites to establish communication networks. Satellite communication satellites have been a vital component of global communication for decades. Orbiting high above the Earth, they provide coverage to even the most remote locations. Geostationary satellites, positioned over the equator, offer continuous coverage of a specific area. Low Earth orbit, LEO satellites, on the other hand, provide low latency and global coverage. These satellites make it possible for people around the world to access the internet, make phone calls, and exchange data. In addition to traditional communication, satellites are indispensable in emergency response situations. They enable disaster relief organizations to establish communication networks quickly in areas affected by natural disasters, where terrestrial infrastructure may be damaged or non-existent. Drone networks, drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are finding a growing role in communication. These nimble and versatile aircraft can be deployed rapidly to create temporary communication networks. In situations like search and rescue missions, military operations, or large public events, drones can be equipped with communication equipment, including Wi-Fi routers and cellular transceivers, to provide connectivity where it's needed most. Drones can also be used to extend the reach of existing networks. For example, they can fly above remote areas, mountains, or densely forested regions to bridge gaps in terrestrial coverage. This technology has the potential to revolutionize rural connectivity, helping to close the digital divide. Challenges and future prospects. While aerial flight paths for communication offer numerous advantages, they also come with their own set of challenges. Interference, network congestion, and the potential for satellite collisions in space are among the issues to be addressed. Additionally, there are concerns about data security and privacy, especially when transmitting sensitive information through satellite networks. Looking ahead, we can expect several exciting developments in the realm of aerial communication. The ongoing deployment of mega-constellations of LEO satellites by companies like SpaceX, Amazon, and OneWeb is set to improve global internet access. With more satellites in orbit, we can anticipate reduced latency and increased bandwidth for communication services. In the drone sector, advancements in drone technology will make them even more capable of deploying communication networks efficiently. This technology can have applications in urban environments, rural areas, and even in delivering healthcare services through telemedicine. Aerial flight paths are proving to be an innovative and essential solution for communication. Satellites and drones are revolutionizing the way we connect, bridging gaps in connectivity and expanding coverage to even the most remote regions. While challenges remain, the prospects for aerial communication are promising, and the technology is set to play a pivotal role in keeping the world connected, especially in times of need. As we look to the future, we can expect even greater innovations in this field, bringing the world closer together through improved communication networks.